500 years. I have rebuilt the temple. Now it's grander in scope. All those monks consumed by the fire turned to wandering ghosts roaming in Black Wind Mountain. It was I who granted them eternal repose. I have even restored the charred scriptures piece by piece. But oh yes, I always knew. One day you shall return. Stay, and perhaps I can even grant you a title. I am the Black Wind! I was ascended to deity by Guanyin. Who are you to stand against me? You have ruined everything! Kill! Such are the deeds of you monkeys! But you still think you